In every room you enter, whether it's a boardroom, a kitchen, or a classroom, you are in a negotiation, so never split the difference. Most people think negotiation is a battle of logic. They are wrong. It is a battle of empathy. If you split the difference, you lose. To the sovereign builder, compromise is a slow death. Today we master the art of tactical empathy. In our previous episode we mastered influence, the art of moving minds, where we discussed the psychology of what we do and why we do. But influence is the foundation. Negotiation is the execution. Influence builds the bridge. Negotiation decides who gets to cross it. Whether you are a student seeking an extension, a parent seeking peace, or a professional seeking a raise, the tools of influence are useless if you cannot handle the moment the other side says no. And that leads us to the most dangerous word in the English language. The student feels the weight of a deadline. The parent feels the exhaustion of a long day. The professional feels the sting of being undervalued. Chris Voss, a lead FBI negotiator, discovered a tool that works for all three. It's called mirroring. By repeating the last three words of what someone said, you invite them to reveal their hidden cards. But wait, if mirroring opens the door, how do you stop them from slamming it shut? You use the label. Labeling is the shortcut to a person's brain. You don't say "I understand." You say, "It seems like you're stressed." This deactivates the amygdala. For a parent, it sounds like, "It seems like you feel I'm being unfair." The moment they say, "That's right, you've won." But there is a darker side to this. What if they already hate your proposal? That is where the accusation audit comes in, and it's the most uncomfortable thing you will ever do. Let's apply the audit. Student: you're going to think I'm lazy for asking for this. Professional: you're going to think I'm ungrateful for this salary talk. By saying it first, you kill the monster. But even with the monster dead, how do you get them to solve the problem for you? You ask the calibrated question. It's a question that starts with how or what, and it forces the other side to do the work. Mastery isn't about manipulation. It's about sovereignty. When you use the late-night FM DJ voice, you lower the cortisol in the room. You aren't just winning a deal. You are architecting a peaceful environment. This is the foundation of high-authority strategy. But even the best negotiator hits a wall when emotions turn into a crisis. Negotiation is how you get what you want. But what happens when the stakes are so high that emotions take over, and the negotiation becomes a confrontation? You move from the negotiation table to the crucial conversation. Click here to master crucial conversations and build a rare human connection. Stay connected.